Hi friends, thank you so much for coming to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And to my returning supporters, I truly appreciate you as always. Now listen, if you're a crafter and you are not tapped into the graduation season yet, you are about to miss one of the biggest money opportunities of the year. But I created an AI graduation prompt generator that can produce high quality graduation images in seconds. And today I'm going to show you how you can use these to create products that actually sell. So if you're ready to tap into this and actually make money this graduation season, make sure you comment grab money down below. And you can grab the full generator bundle plus bonuses in the description, okay? And don't worry, I'm not just telling you about it. I'm going to show you exactly how these work and how easy it is to start creating right away. Now, I'm not going to sit here and show you step by step how to design anything because honestly, most of you already know how to use Canva, Cricut, or other tools. What you really need is ideas, direction, and something that speeds up your creativity. So let's get into it. So this is where the generator comes in. It allows you to instantly create male graduation images, female graduation images, different poses, outfits, and their vibes. So instead of spending hours trying to design something, you already have a professional looking image ready to go. So I'm going to show you how this works. So this is the graduation photo shoot. You have the option of picking a female or male, and we'll do both. They can be standing with a diploma, walking. These are your different poses. Then you have the different outfits. Then you have if you want them to have props or not. Then background, if you don't want it to university campus or just a clean white background. You have their motion. You have their lighting, if you want it to be golden hour, studio lighting, cinema, like you have it. Different kind of camera shot, full body, waist, close up. I'm not reading all, but or you can just have it just create a general prompt for you. So let's do that. And for some reason this copy, I don't know if it copied it. It doesn't say. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it this way and copy it. And we're going to take it and we're going to go ahead into Google Gemini and we're going to paste it. And we're going to see what that does here. ChatGPT. And we're going to post it here as well. And we're going to see what it generates. Let's go back to Gemini. Let's see. Alright, so let's see what it said. I didn't read it. I just clicked. A young African-American female graduate in a standing confidently, holding a diploma, wearing fitted dress with heels, holding none, located in university campus steps. Okay, so it did a generic, and this is what it gave us. Not bad, right? Not bad. And you can always tweak it if you want. If you feel like that's not what you want, you say, hey, put on some black shoes. Some, let's say, put her on some black heels. And let's say, and she is wearing the graduation gown. Let's see what it does. And then we're going to go to ChatGPT and see what it did. Oh, it just gave us no. That's not what we want. So it's an image. Create an image. Let's try it again. Alright. Let's go back. See. There we go. Nice. And it put on a gown and changed her shoes. See? Right here. Black shoes. So that's all you have to do. So we took this and turned it into this just off that. You see, you didn't have to try to come up with, oh my goodness, what am I going to do? What kind of hairstyle do I want to have on? What kind of dress? This prompt generator is perfect for you. Let's go to ChatGPT. And ChatGPT, they nailed it. They gave her a white dress with the cap and gown, with the black shoes, sandals. Perfect, okay? And if you want to throw on a gown for her too, we could do the same thing. But we're going to go back to the generator. And we're going to, let's do a male this time. We're going to do a male. We're gonna say he is, let's see, walking with confidence, tossing cap, arms crossed, power pose. Okay, we're gonna say arms crossed, power pose. He's gonna be wearing, we'll do a suit with stole. No props. Let's see. Do we want brick on indoor student lounge, studio backdrop. Let's do staircase with railing. He is okay. He's confident, being his arms crossed, natural sunlight. We'll do that. What's that staircase, right? So we're gonna say studio lighting, and we want a full body shot. We're gonna generate. Okay, and we have it right here. We're gonna copy it. And we're going to take it to Gemini, and we're going to paste it there. And then we're going to also go to ChatGPT and paste it here. I'm going to say create just in case they try to be funny again. And we're going to let it work. Now, let's see. But thing is, well, we're going to talk about it in a minute. Oh, that was quick. Look at that. See? Look. This is from the generator prompt. You don't have to worry about, oh, what am I going to do? What is he going to wear? How do I want him? And you can always, when you take it into camp, let's take it into camp. We're gonna copy this image. We're gonna add it here, and we're gonna paste it. And if you just want to remove the background, just click background remover for those that have the paid account. And you just remove it. And add him wherever you want, however you want. You can add some words, just like that. Simple. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT really fast. And boom, there we go. Here's another one. Came out nice. Now, if you want to change this, you can tell it to say, if you want it to be all gold or all red, you just tell it what you want. Say same pose, but I want a gold stole, or same pose and I want a red stole. That's all. But this came from this graduation photo shoot generator, which if you want, just click the link below to go ahead and get it. And if you get this, I'm telling you, you're going to be happy, because guess what? We have another one. We have one that it generate. This one is for the females, but let's go over here, and we have one just for the males. So if you want just males, I know we always work with females, right? So let's do one for the males. So we just did one, but let's say we want to do, adjusting sunglasses, confident. Let's say we want him white shirt, just okay. I'm just black. Let's see, gold tassel, black cap, red tassel. We're gonna say he's wearing a white shirt. Okay, diploma in hand. No extra accessories. Hair. Oh, and we have the hair. Let's see. We want him to have, we'll do a taper fade, clean cut. We'll do focus and determined. All right, location. Campus fountain area. Full body. Lighting. Okay, we do golden hour one. Okay, sophisticated, elegant, bold, and powerful. I like that. And we want it cinematic film still. Okay, let's try that. All right, and we want to generate. No, let's see here. Here we go, right here. It did it all down here, so we're just gonna copy this, and then we're gonna paste it here, and then we're gonna go to ChatGPT. But you can also, these are made for whichever. You can do Google Gemini, you could do Bing, you can do Whisk, you can do ChatGPT, you can do Ideogram, Midjourney. It's made for all. So this prompt generator will work for any of them. Okay, and see what it generates. And I promise you, you will. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It did exactly how we said. And see the cinematic, see how I blurred it out a little bit and you focus more on him. Perfect. Give us everything we asked for. The red tassel, everything we asked for. Did we have to think and like, what do I want to do? Nope, not at all. All right, let's see about ChatGPT. Boom, same thing. Love it. Came out really nice, right? Okay. Now, if you want a different type of style, we have this one, the luxury grad generator. Now this one is a little different. This one is if you want to clip art, so we can click clip art. We want a front view. Let's say we want back view. We're gonna say she's just standing there. Let's say she's doing holding a book, hands up. Let's see what type. She's wearing a strapless dress. Cap color is black gold. Okay, no props. We can say big curls, deep brown. We leave all of that. We leave everything. Okay. Generate prompt, and then we're gonna copy all of this, and we are going to send it over. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing here. All right, so that's 3 different prompt generators, guys, that I gave you. Well, that I'm giving 3. On top of that, I'm going to show you in a second. And then here you go. This is the clip art. This is like, it's not the realistic style, but this is if you want to make stickers or journals, planners, what have you. These are perfect for that. The other ones, the realistic ones, are good for, and look at this. The other ones are good for if you want to make magazine covers for others and just need like models. That's what the realistic ones are for. But let me show you what else you get in this bundle. Ta-da! In this bundle, you will get a graduation booklet. So it's like a little game booklet. So if they have a graduation party and you want to play, this is right here. Little booklet. Right here. Just change the year, the pictures, you change the school, you change all this, a little certificate inside of it. Change your pictures, change everything here. And you have that. So that's included. You also, you didn't get that, but you also get this chip bag. Chic bag. You can sit here and everything is edible. You can change it up however you like. School that they attend, if they're in high school, graduating and go to college, you can put what school they're attending, everything like this. And then you create a mock-up and you just sell it. Okay, that. Then you're gonna get this bundle right here. It's a lot in this one. I don't even remember what all you get in this one. Let me see. This is 88 pages. You get all of this. All of this. These are magazine covers. Magazine covers. Different colors, different styles. And these are some of them that I created. I don't know why my thing is acting up like this. But these are some of the images I created with my generator. So, you get this in your bundle. You also get this in your bundle. This is the water bottle labels. You get all these, and it's 20 of these. So you get that in the bundle. And this is what you use your image generator for, to create these. Okay? And then you also get these little fans. So let me show you how this can work. Let's put her in here. Let's see. Bring it down a little bit. Let's see, do we want to remove? Nope. Okay, we got to keep that in there. Let's put it back. Come on. I just don't want to worry. We'll do this one. What's going on here? Let me refresh this. Okay, there you go. So we can bring it down. All right, and this you can just do colors. So if you want to match it, do the colors. Let's see, we want to do a light pink, then we do. That's it. It's just that easy for this, like that. If you just want to do all pink, you don't have to. But same thing with these. If you want to change the color, you just go to your color palettes and add, or you can add whatever. Like you can add your own here. But this is just how you do it. I already put this one in here. Well, can't see. But let's see. He was from my generator right here. Just put him in there. She's from my generator. Where she? Where is she? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? She's in here somewhere. Oh, there she go. Right here. And you just add just like that. Same thing. Just whatever colors you want to add, you just put there. You just drop their pictures in. That's it. So you get these fans. Get these fans. I probably have to add the little stick too, because I don't know if you have. And then guess what else you get? You get this. These PNG files. You get to put these. You get to have these too. So, yes. So there you have it with that. And you want to know the reason this works so well? It's because graduation season, oh my goodness, is seasonal. People are emotional and they are willing to spend. When I tell you they are willing to spend money, they're willing to spend money. So you're not just solving a problem. It's like you're helping them like really like see, okay, yes, I need this. This is like something custom and special that I can make for my family, that my family can have for my child or my niece, my nephew, my grandchild, whomever, godchild, whomever. So it's easy. You just take one image. When you go back to your generator right here, you take one image and turn it into multiple products you can actually sell this graduation season. And I'm talking about graduation flyers like I showed you, or the magazines, announcements, party favorite designs like the chip bags, keepsakes like magnets, custom invitations, digital downloads you can sell over and over, like these templates that I'm giving you, along with that bundle with your generator bundle. Like I'm telling you, you're getting all of this. What I'm giving you is probably worth like, I don't know, over $60. I'm telling you, if you was to go someplace else, somebody be charging $29. I see how much people be charging for all these things. Just for one generator, they'll charge you like $20 or $30. Some charge $50. I'm giving you 3 plus these templates plus PNG images. Like I'm giving you the works for like cheap, right? But you know, I'm a giving person, and also my birthday is coming up, so this is my gift to you. So you know, this is nothing more than me being happy for you to be able to celebrate my birthday with me by giving you extra items. Nothing wrong with that. So you know, just stop overthinking and just start, you know, turning one idea into income. Like that's what I want for you guys. Like, you know, y'all my friends, so this is what I want for you all, you know. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye bye.